Okay, today we're going to work with our online designer and modify this two-story gable cabin kit. So we'll click on that now. You're going to see a bunch of pop-ups in this tool. All you really need to design or modify any of these kits is your left mouse button and your scrolling wheel. You'll use your left mouse button to click on any area, and you can scroll around however you like, and you'll use your scrolling wheel to zoom in and zoom out. So let's get started on this cabin kit. Let's modify the width of the cabin to 21, and then you'll just click on this black background area. Now you're 21 feet wide, and let's change the length to 49. Okay, so now we've changed the length. You have 39 here and a 10-foot porch area. And let's say you wanted to change the height, raise it or lower it. Let's just go 16. Okay, now we're at 16. And you can change the roof type here, gable, single slope, gambrel. We'll leave it as is. You can also change the roof pitch from 112 to 512. Let's say we want to change it to a 412. We can do that. Now it's changed the roof pitch. And we'll move on. We'll click on next. This just talks about making adjustments to your sidewall and your roof. We can do all that with our left mouse button and our scrolling wheel. So click that. Scroll up. So the cabin itself is black with native copper trim. Let's say you wanted to change the color of the cabin to patina green. There you go. And you can do that with your trim and your roof color. The overhangs are set at 2 feet on this building. Let's say we wanted to reduce them to 1. We can do that. Now at 1 foot overhang. Classic rib 26 is what you need for our buildings. So if you happen to see it set at something like a 29, just go ahead and go in and select your classic rib 26 and we're good to go. This has wainscot right here. You can remove it if you like. We'll leave that in. And the wainscot here is 4 feet tall. Let's say we want to change that to 3. Change that to 3. We can also change the color as well. Says we have 1 bay with roof only, and that's our porch right here. So if you remove this to no bays with roof only, it will add sheeting to this area. But we will leave that as is, and let's move on. Click next. We do not have any lean-tos on this building, which would go here or here. If you wanted to add lean-tos, you could by just sliding this way and then start adding your lean-tos. Let's go and add lean-to, and let's say we want to add a lean-to just to this first bay. We click on that, and now you have a lean-to on that bay. Let's say you wanted to add one here. Do that. Now we have lean-tos. Those bays. Right now they're at 14.6. You can see here how lean-to A is 14.6 and lean-to B is also 14.6, but the heights are different. So let's make the heights the same so they look the same. So let's go 10 1 here. Now we have two 14/6 lean-tos with the same height. Look at the difference in the roof pitch here. One is a 312, one is a 112. Let's make them both 312. There we go. Now let's click next. This just tells you how to use your left mouse button to add window and door openings to your building. Basically what you're going to do here is let's say you want to add a new opening. You can add a window, personal door, roll-up door, a sectional door, or just framing only. But let's say we want to add a 4x4 window right in here. All you do is you click add, let go of the mouse button, drag it up, and then click on it. Now you have added that window to the building. It also tells you the height off the slab and the offset from the edge of the bay for that window. Let's see, you want to change the offset to 1 foot 8 inches. You do that. You want to change the alignment to side B, and we'll move it here. Okay, so that's how you add openings to the building. We'll click next. This just talks about how you can add or remove sheeting from the building. We're not going to do that now. We'll click next. And this talks about how to add or remove a mezzanine floor in the building. So as you can see here, you have a mezzanine in every one of these bays. There's 5 bays here, and you have a mezzanine in all 5 bays. Let's say we wanted to remove the mezzanine in this bay. Just click here, and now it's gone. Okay, so we can do that. We can also remove the entire mezzanine by doing this. Okay, but we'll leave the mezzanine in. No mezzanine in this bay. And we'll hit next. We do not need to add props to these buildings. The goal here is to just design a building that is close to what you're looking for and to submit that building to our design team to finish up the design and to get a quick quote. Okay, so now it says get a quote. So all you do is add your name, your address, your phone number, your email. You put notes in here like okay, so click this if you have already arranged financing or funding for the building, and you would click this if you already own the land that the building is going to go on. And here we'll just choose a date that you would like the building delivered to your site. So you click on that. You'll hit submit, and our design team will receive the file right away and be back in touch with you the same day to answer any additional questions you may have. and to help get you a quick quote. Thanks for watching.